Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope to find you well and good. In my previous video, I talked about how can you actually start speaking English language with minimum vocabulary words. How can you actually make conversations with the people with just 500 to 800 basic vocabulary words. So I got a question from many people. They asked me that how can we actually calculate our own vocabulary? How do we know that this is the amount of vocabulary words we have in a specific language? So today I want to share a very simple and easy method that you can estimate and you can calculate your own vocabulary with. And the interesting part of this video is that you will be able to look at my vocabulary count at the end of the video, because I will share a step-by-step process to calculate my own vocabulary. So let's do it. I'm going to share the screen with you to show you the vocabulary chart and the process of calculating your vocabulary. Go to the search engine you use and write down vocabulary estimator, and it will take you to the website called prolingua.co. You will find vocabulary estimator here. Now what you need to do, let me first tell you the vocabulary chart. Now it shows that the children who are up to 9 years old have below 16,000 words in their vocabulary box, and children ages from 10 to 16 have 6,000 to 9,000 words, and 25% of adults in US have vocabularies of 9,000 and 12,000 words, and most adults have vocabularies in this range like 12,000 to 18,000 words. And most college graduates and professional people have 18,000 to 24,000 words, and people who are at the top level of their professions, the masters of English language, they have approximately 24,000 plus vocabulary words. Now how you are going to check your own vocabulary? Let's do it together. There are 70 words that we are going to mark to check and to calculate our vocabulary. So let's do it together. The first word is baby. Yes, I know it. Let's do it quickly. Corner. Yes, I know it. Country. Yes. Doctor. Grass. Cotton. Experience. Price. Shake. Short. I know 10 out of 10. The second part is arrow. Yes, I know it. Backward. Breathe. Complain, destroy, drum, fiddle, funeral, shelter, tremble. Yes, I know them all. The third one is admiral, barrier, disobedient, essential, resemble, shipment, theory, tropical, universe, wrinkle. Luckily, I know them all too. Next, binoculars, I know it. Carnation, yes. Drowsy, expedition, jungle, matinee. Now, I don't know the word matinee, so I will mark it don't know. Next, mention, progress, ripple, unique, I know all. Now, this is the first to 40 words. We have done with it, and our result is 39 out of 40, and we will multiply it with 150, and the results are 5,850 words. Now the next part is to do with the words from 40 through 70. So let's do it. The first word is abyss. Yes, I know it. Bale. Yes. Canyon. Yes. Exterminate. Yes, I know it. Instrument. Yes, of course. Javelin. No, I don't know. Obvious. Obviously, I know it. Password. Yes. Rhythm. Yes. Scalp. Yes. Adaptable, yes, I know it too. Capsule, everybody knows it. Embargo, no. Gavel, don't know. Justify, yes. Liberate, yes. Memento, don't know it. Naturalize, yes. Porous, no. Oblivion, no. This is the final part. Capacious, I don't know it. Emaciated, no, I don't know it. Gargantuan, what word is it? I even don't know how to pronounce this word. I don't know the meaning, don't know. The next is laconic, no, I don't know. Nubile, no. Nomenclature, yes, I know. Prolixity, no. Rabid, no. Redolent, no. Resurgent, yes, I know this word too. So this is the final part. Here we have the complete result. We will calculate the correct words we got from 1 to 40 words, and then the second part from 40 to 70. So let's calculate it together, and it will become like 15,450 words. This is my estimated vocabulary. I have got 15,450 words approximately in my vocabulary. So you can do it as well to calculate and to estimate your own vocabulary. This is the easiest and very interesting way to estimate it. Thanks for watching this video.